the First Lady of Tusculum, Star Hummel. So, Mrs. Hummel, what does this event mean to you?
This event is a very important event, not only for Tusculum, but for the community, for them to be able to see Tusculum and all of the things that we contribute to the community, but all of the amazing students that we have here. We're so proud to be a part of this event.
Of course, of course. Hey Pioneers, I'm here with Jayen Castro, who is responsible for decorating this beautiful event. Jayen, you work in admissions, correct?
Yes.
What does an event like this mean for admissions this next semester?
This event means a lot for admissions for our next upcoming semester, especially being a part of our community in Greene County. This is also going to get the word for Greene County students to see Tusculum as a contender for college to come to, that we're a very small school, but we can do a lot for you. Director of Development and Alumni Relations. Jolynn, what does an event like this mean for Tusculum and its alumni especially?
This event is going to be amazing. My alumni, we're so excited tonight to get together and show our support of our alma mater.
Hey Pioneers, I'm here with Houston, Tate, and Isabella from our Pioneer Band, and they're going to give us a little bit of insight of what it means to be in the Pioneer Sound? In the Frontier Sound. And what does an event like this mean for recruiting new members to your band? I know that the band program has grown so much since I've been here. So what do you guys see going forward as the growth of your band?
Help get us out there, so it'll help recruit, bring in flashy toys that help recruit.
Hey Pioneers, I'm here with senior cheerleader Leigh. So what do you guys have in store for us tonight?
Tonight we'll be showing a fight song and some stunts just to show our appreciation for what this event means to us.
Of course. Hey Pioneers, I'm here with Josie Norton and Todd Wallen, who are featured in our Amazon Prime show today. Now guys, what does this kind of event mean to you all, not only as students but as featured students?
It means that we get to be a part of something big and get to be a part of something that hopefully Tusculum gets to showcase to prospective students, and everybody just gets to see how campus life really is on Tusculum.
It really is fantastic. We can reach out to other schools, other people, and just show them what all we do at Tusculum. That's really amazing.
Hello Pioneers, I am here with the president of Tusculum University, Dr. Scott Hummel. Dr. Hummel, what does an event like this mean for Tusculum moving forward?
So this is huge for us. One, if you've never walked the orange carpet, you don't know what a big deal this is. So this really means a lot to us. One, it's a great time to be able to celebrate how great our students are, to be able to celebrate the university, but in many ways, more importantly, so that other people know how great Tusculum University is. We know it's an outstanding university. Our students know that. They came here, but there's so many people out there, so many prospective students that may not have heard of Tusculum University yet. But because of this premiere, because of this episode, they will, and they're going to realize that Tusculum is for them, and they're going to want to come be a Pioneer.